Hi, it's Paelo. Welcome back to the channel. So while I was cleaning out my camera, I found a couple of clips from earlier this year. I want to say it's around late March, early April. Everyone in this video are my coworkers. We work every single day together, 6 times a week, 8 hours a day, kind of thing. We are currently staying safe, following CDC guideline rules, and hopefully everyone around us is as well. They're still okay. I still work with them every day, and I love them to death. I honestly thought I lost these videos, but I compiled them just for you. If you want to watch it, hope you have fun with us. Alright, on to the video, guys. Stay safe. Bye.
Hey guys, what it is, what it do? You're here on Paelo's YouTube.
Are we gonna play? Yeah! We're not gonna pop! Down, blue for 2 seconds. Right here, Vic! Vic! Come on, bro! You can run it! Oh! What?
I have a question. So someone who got picked last, what's your strategy here?
See, my strategy is to just up. That's a pick! That's a pick! Oh! Go! This close. I'm done. His hair, whack. His shoes, whack. The way he walks, whack. The way he doesn't even know how to smell, whack.
Defense-wise, you're the last guy in the field. Don't let anybody catch it. Far, safe. Everybody else, pick a man.
No. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Hey. Wait. Ah! Go.
Whoa, Allison, whoa, Corey.
Hey, 5 Mississippi. Stop playing with me. I got you. Oh, dude. Divide. Hey.
Victor!
First it's the first one.
Better keep me
Hey, where the water is?
How do you feel about that game?
This one.
Who's Getaways my best friend, and I didn't want to embarrass him, but.
But I love him.
Some in here that maybe.
It's Vic. I'm going soccer mode right now.
Andy!
None of the game.
Welcome back! Oh my god.
Ruby, how does it feel to be a soccer mom?
Pretty normal. I'm always a soccer mom. I brought them chips and Gatorade.
We out here.
We just out here.
Rissa's here. How was the game?
Huh?
How was the game?
It's going good. I got 1 goal for the team. I was really happy.
Vic, how was the game?
It's not my sport, okay?
It's Vic. I'm going soccer mode right now.
team on my right is winning.
I'm just gonna take the beam.
I'm so tired.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. We'll talk to you later.
Oh my God, yes!